going to the zoo? Yes, okay.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the hospital. Where are you going?
I'm going to the fire station.
Fire station? Oh, where are you going?
I'm going to the hospital.
Okay, where's the hospital?
Here.
Okay, very good. Yes. Where are you going? I'm going to the...
School.
Is it school? Yes. Okay. 5. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, you can finish here. If you have 6, you have to go around. Okay. And we have... Where are you going?
I'm going to the cinema.
Cinema. Where are you?
I'm at the post office.
Post office? Good.